How can I avoid recontaminating surfaces after coughing flu? When you have the flu, coughing can spread tiny droplets that carry the virus onto surfaces around you. To prevent recontaminating surfaces and spreading the virus further, it's important to follow some simple but effective hygiene steps. First, always cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or the inside of your elbow when you cough or sneeze. This helps catch respiratory droplets before they land on surfaces. Be sure to dispose of used tissues immediately into a trash bin to prevent the virus from lingering. After coughing, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 15 seconds. If soap and water aren't available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. Hands can transfer the virus to surfaces or your face, so keeping them clean is key. Avoid touching your face, especially your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands, because the virus can enter your body through these areas. Regularly clean and disinfect surfaces that are touched often, like doorknobs, countertops, and light switches. Use soap or detergent and water first to remove dirt and organic matter, then apply an EPA-registered disinfectant proven to kill influenza viruses. If you're caring for someone with the flu or cleaning contaminated areas, wear gloves and masks to prevent direct contact with infectious secretions. Changing or disinfecting contaminated clothing and protective gear after exposure is also important, as the virus can survive on fabrics for hours. Improving air quality by opening windows or using air purifiers can help reduce airborne virus particles, lowering the chance of surface contamination. Combining good personal hygiene with routine cleaning and disinfection creates a strong barrier against the spread of the flu. Remember, always follow guidance from health authorities and consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice. By taking these steps, you can help protect yourself and others from recontamination and reduce the spread of influenza.